Hello ladies, we're going to do a quick little demo on how to start your mandala. So you want to go to Illustrator, File, New, and you want to start title, and this title will actually matter, so make sure it's your first name, last name, mandala. Oops. And you want to make sure that your height and width are both 17 inches. So 17 for width, 17 for height. Again, make sure this mode says inches. And now make sure your color says CMYK. It probably defaults to that, but just make sure it is on CMYK and hit create. Once, I'm going to zoom out a little bit, once you have your artboard, what you're going to do is go to view and you're going to show rulers. Oops, view, show rulers. Since this is 17 inches across, you want to make a note at 8.5 at the center point. So double click on the ruler with your selection tool, and same over here. We want to go to 8.5 and double click on the ruler, and now we have two guidelines that show us the center. The next thing you want to do is make an ellipse. So you want to make that to be 15 inches circumference, or diameter rather. So when you press down Shift and click on your mouse and drag your cursor, see how I get these little windows to tell me the size? Keep going until you get to 15 inches by 15. And holding down Shift is the only way to make sure this is going to be perfect. So 15.01 is close enough. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click V on my keyboard, and that activates my selection tool. And I'm going to take the center point of the circle and put it center on the intersection here. Now the last thing I want to do, because I'm going to make 8 pie pieces, but now I only have 4 quadrants. So I'm going to take my line segment tool, right over here, line segment tool, click on that. I'm going to go to the center. I'm going to actually zoom in so I can make sure it's really on the center. It says center on my guides. I'm going to put the cursor on the center, hold down Shift, and then drag out. And what happens when you hold down Shift and drag out is that you get a perfect 45-degree angle. And now, since nothing's visible, I'm just going to go back really quickly and make the stroke of everything black so we can actually see it. So there we go. It might be helpful to have a line segment dividing each quadrant. So we'll do Shift, and we'll do one more, and last one. And this is how you start your mandala in Adobe.